I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I to unbox the Realme trimmer, friends. Yes, friends, finally I did order the Realme trimmer, and it's my first time ordering the trimmer from different kind of brands. So before I used to order from the Philips only, but right now I thought of ordering from the Realme. So let's see how good the Realme trimmer can be there. I'll try to talk about the streaming features in the next episode. So in this video, let's talk only about the basic unboxing and what are the things we do get in the box. That is what I'm going to concentrate. So mainly for this trimmer only, I did grow a little bit kind of beard. So right now I'll be trying to show you exactly the quality as well. So maybe in the next video I'll try to upload very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested to know more details about that Realme trim beard. So right now this is a package which we got, friends, as you can see, which is of kind of yellow, and even the background is kind of everything is yellow, as you can see. So Realme beard trimmer. So this is a very small package. It's not that heavy, I would say, definitely. So let me to take out the content. Let me to open this packing. Yes, and let's see what are the box contents we do get. That is what I'm going to mention in this video. Let's see. Yes, and let's see what are the things we do get inside. And it's inside we do have the small kind of case. That's kind of good. Let me to quickly unbox this one. And there's a small another strap. So total there are three plasters. So before taking out this kind of Realme beard, you have to take out from this side as well. Yeah, both sides it's completely done, and that's good. There's a small case, so sorry, small pouch kind of thing which is available, and we do get the Realme trimmer. So Realme beard trimmer, as you can see, friends, finally. So it's kind of good, I would say. Definitely the build quality, looks and everything, even the weight is not bad. Let me try to check the weight, how much the weight can be there. So this one can measure up to 500 grams. Did it cross 500 or not? And the weight is not bad. So 183 grams the weight. So 183 grams, as you can see, friends, the weight of this one. That's fantastic. And this, let me check whether is there any kind of power or not. I think there's no power because it's kind of blinking, I think so, as you can see. When I try to press the button, it's not getting. So I need to charge it up, and before using, and here's the specification which has been listed here. So 20 length settings to 0.5 mm precision. I need to check this one. I'll try to do the myself beard trimming very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. And 120 minutes of battery run time, and very self sharpening stainless blade. That's another thing which I thought of mentioning. So this is a Type-C connection. So that's a very good advantage, friends, with the Type-C one, which do have the port, which is fantastic with the Type-C, as you can see. So that's another really great thing to have the Type-C one. So everything is Type-C, the trimmer and the earbuds and everything. So this is how it should be there. And in the box we do get nothing apart from this. So there's a small Type-C cable, and this is a brush which is provided to clean. That's fantastic. It's even a strong one, not like normal brush. That's good. And we do have the liquid. That's good. So this is a liquid which we did get. Blade oil warning, something it's written. That's kind of good. So these are the few things which we got in the box, and definitely I'll try to charge the trimmer for the next 1 hour, and then I'll be back with the trimming using this Realme trimmer. So as I said, this is the reason I did grow my beard for a long time, just waiting for this delivery, and I finally got it, and I'll be able to show you as well how is the trimming quality and all these details. So to remove this one, you just need to pull it a little bit kind of gentle, and then you'll get this out. As you can see, friends, right now it's out completely. So you can have this kind of clean save experience as well. I'll try to do it testing, and here you go this kind of dial. You can click, you can turn around, you can increase and decrease the height as well, as you can see here. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a small unboxing video which I thought of just showing you out, and do let me know in the comment section below what are other things you want me to test. I do know there's nothing much testing apart from battery life and charging speed, and even the trimming quality. I need to keep an eye on that one. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you want me to do another video. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.